We are going to make the house smell like Christmas. And we're going to start by putting some water in here. And you'll see how wonderful this is going to turn out. That's probably enough water. And then we're going to add this orange here. And next we're going to add just a few of these cinnamon sticks. You can see our oranges already in there. And last, we're going to add some whole cloves. Ooh, this will be wonderful. Okay. Okay, if you noticed, I also put a little powdered cinnamon in there just for the heck of it. So now we're going to take this over to the stove. And we're going to heat it up. And it's going to smell just like Christmas. It will, I promise. I had to get out of the light so you can see this. But it's going to start boiling, and then we'll turn it down to a simmer. And just let the house smell like Christmas. I hope you try this out. I know I'm looking forward to it. I believe I've done it before, but I think it's been a while. So, as always, thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more. You can see now it's boiling, so I'm going to turn it down to a simmer, and it already smells wonderful. I do believe you should try this.